Hey everyone, how's everyone doing today? My name is Gina and I am doing great. Are we ready for another Pinterest testing video? I am. So, every now and again, I like to go onto Pinterest and I like to look for crafting ideas. You know, the DIYs that look so cute and they seem to be so fun, so easy. And then when you do it, you're like, oh my gosh, what have I got myself into? So I always like to do that, and I think I might make this a monthly series. I don't know, but I'm excited about trying today's. This was, I think, one of my last tries. This is the button bowl, right? Do y'all remember that? I will link it. It was totally a fail. That's not a bowl at all. That just wasted a bunch of freaking buttons is what that did. So today, though, I really, truly believe we're going to have a success story. I really do. I really, really, really do. I'm so excited. You're going to need some oil-based Sharpie markers, okay? Now, don't be fooled at Michael's. So I went online to Michael's to see if they had it, you know, at my store before I trudged out to the store. Oh, they had them. 30, almost 36 bucks for them, right? For ever how many this is. How many are there here? 8? I was like, huh? What? Get out of here, girl. And then I went on Amazon and I thought, well, let's just try it. Who knows? Maybe Amazon will be cheaper. Maybe they'll be the same amount. If they're the same amount, then we're just going to go to plan B, right? Because I'm not spending $36 on 8 markers. Not going to happen. Not in this household. $18 on Amazon for the same markers. So there you go. Even if you know you'd need a 50% off coupon for Michael's, do they have those anymore? I don't think so. I haven't seen them in forever and a day. But anyhow, okay, I'm going on a tangent. I'm going to stop. I'm going to reel it in. Okay, so you're going to need some oil base now, not the alcohol, regular Sharpies. I have a ton of those. So they're saying you're going to need the oil based. So that is what I have. I think later on I'm going to test this out with the alcohol markers and see if they work. You're also going to need some way to, like, this is a vinyl letter B for my last name. And you're going to need a ceramic cup. Just go to the dollar store and get a white ceramic cup. And that is what they're saying. That is all we're going to need. And this is going to work out beautifully, they say. Now, you cannot wash it in the dishwasher. You got to wash it by hand. But if you do want to wash it in the dishwasher, excuse me as I turn my back upon you. I have it around here somewhere. I don't know where. I will get it later. But they say you can put a dishwasher Mod Podge. There is such a thing because I have it. It's called dishwasher Mod Podge, where you slather it on. You have to let it cure though for like 30 days before it actually is dishwasher safe. So there is something out there that you can use if you want to put in the dishwasher. But you know, if you're just drinking coffee or tea every day out of it, soap and water, you don't got to put it in the dishwasher. Rinse it out, you know, it'll be fine. Alright, so let's get going. I'm going to switch this around. Oh, I have a new camera, so hopefully everything is going to look good. I have everything pretty much on automatic, like camera. You decide what looks best, okay? Because I'm not a photographer and I don't desire to be one. So you please, please, please make it look good. So anyway, let's get going. Let's flip this around and we'll see if this works or not. I'm excited. I am excited. Because I get to play with new stuff. Really, come on, let's be honest. That's why. So, are we ready? Okay, so my cup is dry. Cleaned. I've washed it. So, but now I'm taking some rubbing alcohol and I'm just going on the outside of it. It should help these things adhere better, right? So, that's nice and clean. And what I want to do with my letter B, since you know my last name begins with B, I'm gonna put it about right here, I think, the letter. You can, you know, you don't have to use letters. You can create your own scene, which if this works, that's probably what I'll end up doing, is just, you know, paint it whatever way that I want to paint it. So, but for right now, I'm following what the lady said, and if I remember, I will link the Pinterest down below. All right. Y'all, I'm getting nervous. I'm almost out of my 91% rubbing alcohol, and you know, us crafters, we don't need it because of Corona. We need it for crafting. Okay, that is not laying very well. But I don't think it needs to lay well because we're going to end up taking it off in the end anyway. We just want to have it there as a guide from what I understand. All right, so now all you do, apparently, is you just take your markers. I've already primed them. And you just decorate whatever way you want. Like, she did little dots. Again, I'm copying what she did. So wherever there is a white mark around the letter, I'm gonna put the dots. Right? And I'm gonna use all the colors, I think, but black and white. So, I mean, this is it, y'all. This is about it. But I'm gonna be interested in knowing, one, I'm not going to put dishwasher stuff on it. I'm just going to see if it works by itself first, you know. Kind of go around like that. After this, what we will do is we've got to bake it in a 250 oven for 2 hours. I think the lower the better. Some do it at like 350, but I also read that if you do that, it could discolor your color. So I don't want that. So we will just do it at 250 for 2 hours, and that should, you know, kind of like set this in the thing there. All right. So I've got 2 more colors to go after this. All right. And now what we're supposed to do is just take off the vinyl. I'm trying to carefully do it. And then what should appear is the letter. Oh. Rip it. I wanted to use it again. Oh, it does show, doesn't it? Neato bandito! Oh my gosh, it might have actually worked, y'all. Oh my. It's so funny. On camera, you can really tell the bee, but in person, oh, not so much. It is not as, like, on camera, but it is cute. Okay, so I'm going to go bake it, and I will be back once it's all baked. Okay, before I do that, I want to kind of put little hearts on it. I'm probably going to mess it up by doing this, but I just want to. Oh, I'm afraid, is it dry? It feels dry. Just little bitty hearts, like over here. Like, just pretty and fun and easy. Isn't that cute? I like that. Maybe I should have moved it over just a little, but I think it's okay. I just wanted to try something else over on the other side. Okay, so now I'm going to 250 it for 2 hours, and then I'll be back and we'll see how, well, I'm going to even try washing it in the sink and all of that. I just want to make sure that all my lids are closed These are pretty nice. This is the first time I've ever used these. They're pretty nice. Alright, oh, did I talk about the dishwashing Mod Podge? Here it is. I know I mentioned it before. So this is what it looks like, and it does say dishwasher safe gloss. So this is what you want to use, but if you read down here, it does say, yeah, cure for 28 days. So you can't use it for 28 days. So, you know, just keep that in mind. But anyway, let's go put this in the oven and I'm back. Okay, so here it is finished. It's not rubbing off. I'm even scraping it with my fingernails. So that's cool. Oh, I forgot to mention, you know, you leave it in the oven for 2 hours, but make sure you keep it in the oven until it cools down enough, like where you can touch it, because you don't want to take it out of the oven immediately, or the temperature fluctuations, I'll get it out in a minute, y'all, may break the glass, or, you know, your mug. So just be mindful of that. Just let it sit in the oven for about another hour with the oven being off, and then you should be able to take it out, no problem, and then let it continue to cool. But so far, so good. All right, I'm going to take you off of here, and I'm going to put you so we can go wash it and see if this indeed will go through hand washing. I don't know. I kind of have my doubts because, I mean, you can feel... I can feel the paint. So my fear is like, but like I said, I'm scraping and it doesn't come off. So that's encouraging, at least. But isn't it cute? I really like this. Oh, and it was so much fun. Yeah. All right, so let's do it. Let us change our angle and we'll see if this thing will hold up to hand washing. What do you think? Leave in the comments if you think it's gonna be okay. I'm telling you, if this works, this will be the first Pinterest I think I've done that it actually came out like what Pinterest said it would. I promise. Maybe the marbled paper I did. I did some marble paper and it looked pretty good. But anyway, let's give it a go. Okay. Don't ever get a black sink. The worst decision I've ever made is getting a black sink. But anyway, okay, so I put a little bit of dish soap in. And I'm going to get a dish rag. I even got one that's got the little scrubbies on it. And I'm going to scrub it. Just to see. And I mean, I'm rubbing it hard too, y'all. I'm putting elbow grease into it. So far, it looks like this is actually gonna work. I'm too excited. Look, it stayed. Nothing came off. Nothing on the rag, as far as I can tell. Finally, a success. All right, nice. All right, y'all, well, it is done. Here it is. Oh, I cannot believe I finally did a Pinterest craft and it actually worked. Unbelievable. It's so cute. I love it. I'm gonna be obsessed and I'm gonna do so many more of these. Awesome. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope that you will try this out. Trust me, it is worth it. It is so much fun. You can just Oh, you can decorate these whatever way you want to. So much fun, so easy, so fast. All right, y'all. Thanks so much for watching. I truly, truly appreciate it. Hey, if you haven't hit the like button, or for sure if you have not subscribed, please, please, I'm begging you, do so that my channel can grow, right? I want to be here for you and to do all these testing for you so you don't have to waste your time. Let me do it for you. All right, y'all. Y'all be good to one another, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. It says it's gonna work. I like to call it Pinterest testing is what I like to call it. So today, that is exactly, I just turned my back on you. Hey everyone, how is everyone doing today? My name is Gina and I am doing great. So, are we ready for the video today? I know, I am. So, I know that y'all have, no. This is so hard doing it this way. I like to do it with my hands. I don't like to do it on face. Okay. My background is crazy. But that's only because I'm a crafter and I don't have enough room in my studio. But anyway, okay. All right. Here we go. Take 3. We can do this. We can do this. Okay, serious. Okay.